Here's a pair of Sony Bluetooth headphones, model numbers WH-1000XM5. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset. Okay, so you basically want to do that if you have an issue where you have problems connecting, maybe only one side's working, other side's not working, maybe one side has like low volume, or maybe you have the audio cutting in and out. Anyway, to go ahead and reset these is very simple. Now on the left side here, this side here, this is where you have the buttons, okay? We have two buttons, okay? You got the power button and the ANC, or basically a noise cancellation button up here, okay? So to reset this, first thing we want to do is go ahead and turn these off, okay? So just make sure that it is turned off. So mine's currently on here. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Let me press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Saw blue light, and let me let go. Okay, now it's turning off. Now it's completely off. Now, to reset it, what we want to do is we want to hold two buttons simultaneously. Press and hold the noise cancellation button and the power button. Press and hold both buttons and keep on holding until we see the blue light flash 4 times, okay? So ANC, or noise cancellation button, power button, do it together. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. It takes about 10 seconds or so, but just keep holding until we see the light flash, blue light flash 4 times. That was 4 times. Let go. And there we go. We just reset it. It just turned back off. And now if you want to connect to a device, I mean, you got to first turn it back on, put it in the pairing mode, and you should be good to go. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues? Comment below.